Perfect. Okay, so we're going to cover the basic into the link in Tango. We start together, we start reaching for the ladies' back steps. First two steps, long. Reach, reach, reach up. Now the next step, we're going to do a check position off cross. As we do that, we have to have a little bit of a contra body position. Ladies' head looks extra left, guys' head looks extra left. Now from here, we unwind this position, and as we do that, we focus on the lady's left hip moving around the guy's right hip. So from here, we go around. Guy steps under, lady is around, and we tap the foot. So from here, we have a staggered foot position. The knees are turned inwards a little bit here, so we are both ready to move in this new direction. One more time, just with the count. So we start moving slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very